Yeah, we were talking about theory of egoism. Theory of egoism that is inbuilt in everyone, because everyone is confined to themselves, and the word ego itself means I, मैं. Okay, for according to this theory, it is a simple theory. Everyone knows that, because according to theory of egoism, it means whatever I am doing is correct, whatever I am doing is ethical, irrespective of others view, irrespective of the principles. One believes that whatever he or she is doing is correct. That is the theory of egoism. All right, and these are the theories like being faced in every day in our lives. Okay, second last theory is theory of relativism. Theory of relativism holds that there are no absolute truths. It is like tit for tat theory. There are no absolute truths, and one performs according to, in relation to the acts being performed with him or being performed to you. जैसा मेरे साथ हुआ है वैसा ही मैं दूसरों के साथ करूँगा या करूँगी. It is the relativism theory. All right, and this is the theory which is not very much prevalent in the organizations, because it is very harmful in the long run. All right, so the theory of relativism, for example, another example we can put on: killing animals for sport could be right in one culture, but it is wrong in another. All right, so it is all about the paradoxes being seen in everyday lives. Last theory is your teleological theory. Teleological theory is totally opposite of deontological theory. All right, deontological theory में क्या था, that whatever actions being performed shall be good, shall be ethical, and there shall be no regard for the future consequences because of those actions. So that was the deontological theory. But in teleological theory, we'll be focusing on the consequences. Whatever actions being performed by us may be wrong, may be right, but the consequences, the outcome shall be right. They shall not be wrong in any kind of any aspect. All right, so these were some of the basic ethics in business. All right, and yeah, you may put down your questions, your queries in the comment section. All right, and please keep on watching my videos and keep on suggesting me the topics. Thanks for the topic, for this topic also I have received a request, so I'll be asking for any kind of other topic. If you are interested, if you want me to discuss about the same, so kindly let me know in the comment section. Thanks, have a nice day.